Welcome back, Kairu TV fam. But if you are not a part of the fam, make sure you subscribe so you can join the Keeping It Real with Us TV fam. The Zara Kids Toddler haul. I ordered these things offline for SuddenYah, my 4-year-old. This one right here, this right here is so cute. $19.90 for this top, and it's so pretty. It's a beautiful top. It looks so elegant and classy for my little lady. And the material is so soft and warm. And these are the legging pants that goes with it. And this was $15.90 for the bottoms. And I got all her stuff in a 4 or 5. So that was the first one. And then next we have this piece. This was $25.90. But this is from their Join Life collection, and the Join Life collection is their more, how do you phrase, eco-friendly line. It is made with better materials like organic cotton, I believe, cotton textile. Care for fiber, at least 90% of ecologically grown cotton. That's what this line right here boasts. This is so cute. It's oversized. It's like a sweatshirt top, and then the bottoms that I have that go with it, but it has pockets on either side, and it has a drawstring in the front, but it does not change the waist size at all. It's just there for design purposes. And it has the same little cuff on the ends of that it has on the ends of the sweatshirt sleeve on the bottom of the pants sleeve. I just like you can't go wrong with 2-piece sets. I am so for a good set, like 2-piece sets, 3-piece set. And this one here is fitting for the month. It says love on it. And it's really cute. The color, the fabric is thick, nice material. And this piece was $25.90. Now this one, I don't think this is a part of the Join Life collection. No, it's just matching legging bottoms. And this reminds me, it's like a ribbed striped legging bottoms. Reminds me of like thermals. So these are the individual pieces that I picked up. And this one here was $15.90. And this one here is just a blouse. It's a long sleeve. A little flare on the bottom, a cute little top with the button right there at the top. And I also picked up this overall piece here. Now it says $27.90, but trust and believe, I did not pay $27.90 for this jumpsuit here. Picked up this top here. This was $9.90. And it's just a simple little top. It says siempre happy. I looked it up because I didn't know what that meant. Spanish word. It means always. So siempre happy, which means always happy. Always happy. Siempre. Gotta know what things mean when you're wearing them. I'm like, that's just so like not cool to be wearing something and you don't know what the meaning of it is. And this one was $5.90. I picked this up for $5.90 here. She can wear it up under this piece right here, this overall skirt, or either one of these pieces here that I'm about to show you. This one here says it was $25.90, but again, most of the other stuff I got was on clearance, and it's just a overall skirt. Yes, overall skirt, and pair it with a shirt. Just put a shirt up under it. And then she's good to go. And then keeping with the same, this is the same type overall skirt. It says it was $27.90. Yes, this was the original price, but I did not pay that for. I think the colors are just so cute. These colors look so good together. But yeah, it's so cute. So cute. It's gonna look so cute on her. And I can pair even this top with these. Like corduroy, like this reminds me of like a back in the day type style, but it says it's $35.90, and it is just so cute. It's a pants, like corduroy overall jumpsuit set. This one here is from the Join Life collection, and it was $9.90. And it's this pretty plum color with the white butterflies on it. Long sleeve. And then I picked up 2 packs of the Joy Life Ecological Cotton, because I prefer organic underwear. All these pictures. Okay, and it's a pack of 6 briefs. I got this pack here, $19.90, and then I got this pattern print, and they were also $19.90. So cute. I gotta wash them, of course, before she wears them. Zara stuff, I'm noticing, like, even the things that I brought for myself, purchased for myself, they run big, a little bigger. Some big girl panties though. They're so cute. Look at the little cloud. Look at the little cloud on there. It's so adorable. Yeah, I didn't want to get no you know, the character panties, fancy panties. Well, that is it for this Zara kids haul, Zara toddler haul. Oh no, it's not. One more item, and it was these pair of socks here. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. This pair of socks, which are so cute. The color choices. You got this blush rose pink again, rose gold, pink, whatever you want to call it. People call it so many different colors. The gray and the is this blue or black? I think it's blue. Like a navy blue on the end of the sock there. But that is it for this haul. So thank you for watching this video, and until next time, Lord say the same, keep it real, and you will see me in the next one.